Hi everyone, this is a short wee video just to explain Waymaker by Leland. The thing with this song, there's a great amount of dynamic variation in it. So what you need to do for this one is start very quiet, but as the song builds its intensity, you need to either strum more frequently, strum louder, you need to somehow build up the dynamics of what you're playing as well. Also pay attention to when the song drops. Sometimes it gets lower again, so you need to follow those dynamic levels and move up and down with the song accordingly. So we start very quiet. I'm playing here capo 4. So with capo 4 you can play an F chord, followed by a C, followed by a G, and then an A minor. And you can pretty much get away with playing those same chords for the whole song, just at different levels. The other thing you need to know is when to come into the song. There's a wee piano line that you'll hear at the start. Da da da. And that leads in to what we're strumming. And that also mimics the vocal line. So you'll hear the piano line at the start. Da da da. Da 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 da. Da da da. Da da da. So when you hear that, da da da, strum after that. Here we go. We're going to jam through it and see how we go. 1, 2, 1. You are here, moving in our midst. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, working in this place. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, moving in our midst. I worship you, I worship you. You are here, working in this place. I worship you, I worship you. You are Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. You are Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. So at that point, the dynamics are going to come up. I'm going to skip the next verse, but I'm going to pretend that we've done the next verse and we're going into the next chorus as well. So we're building up here. There you have it. So that was a more intense strum pattern, just to match what the song was doing. Play along with the song and see how you go with those varying levels of dynamics.